Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll show you common problems and repair costs. Known issues of this car includes turbo wastegate rattle or early failure, common with the 1.3 liter turbo engines, EGR valve and DPF clogging for diesel version, minor electrical glitches with MBUX or parking sensors, suspension wear around 50,000 kilometers, especially front bushings. Then turbo repair replacement is 1,000 to 2,000 euros, MBUX screen replacement 800 euros around, brake disc and pads 300 to 600 euros, and service A and B 300 to 500 at dealerships. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.